hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, and tin.
All right. Now you might have noticed there were some names that Naman was struggling with. You know why? Because he has not even seen it. Right? And some of the principles of memory and mind science that we learned works on the principle that to learn unknown, you have to use what is already known in your memory bank. And here are things that did not exist in his memory bank. So he actually went one step further, created something in his memory bank so he could latch on to that and then process new information, absorb new information, retain that new information and recall for you the way he did. That's called pushing the limits. That's called taking this beyond the easy step. That's what he did here.